Soundcore, the audio-focused subsidiary of Anchor, has built up a reputation for delivering top-notch audio quality in an affordable speaker. And the Soundcore Motion 300 Plus upholds this reputation with its exceptional features. A speaker like Soundcore Motion 300 makes you wonder why there aren't many audio gadgets available that offer great audio quality even with such a compact form factor. High-res audio, all wrapped up in a sleek, rugged design that's ready for any adventure. It's got a few tricks up its sleeve that truly set it apart from the crowd. We've been using the speaker for a few weeks now and we are pretty impressed. With its balanced audio, durability, and cutting-edge technology, the Soundcore Motion 300 pretty much ticks all the boxes you'd expect from a portable speaker. In this video, we'll share our experience with you, but first let's go back to unboxing and take a closer look at the design. Opening the box, we get the Motion 300, a charging cable, and the manuals. Just look how compact it is and fits right in the palm of our hands, which means you can slide it into your bag effortlessly and take it with you wherever you go. It also comes with a detachable loop, allowing you to hang it anywhere you please. The designers really put some thought into making this adaptable to your lifestyle, and the next thing that strikes us is the premium build quality. Even though it might look like plastic to some people, it's actually a sturdy metal grille featuring the signature Soundcore logo at the front. Running the fingers along its smooth, soft touch coating, you can tell that this thing is built to last and to withstand the rigors of everyday life. On the top, we have the button layout base. In the middle, we have the name Soundcore with buttons for power, Bluetooth, and bass on the left, and on the right, we have volume controls and the play-pause button. On the side, you'll find a water-resistant USB-C port, giving it a clean, modernized look. This little beast has an IPX7 rating and can withstand immersion in water up to 1 meter deep for up to 30 minutes. So you don't need to worry about splashes, spills, or even a sudden downpour when using it outdoors. Now let's talk about the main concern of the speaker, the sound quality. The drivers are the true MVPs of the sound experience, as with two full-range drivers that can reach up to 40 kHz, this speaker ensures that every note, every beat, and every lyric is delivered with crystal clear precision, allowing you to hear your music exactly as the way the artist intended. Don't get fooled by its size though, the Motion 300 can deliver quite some loud music exceeding our expectations. With their 30 watts of power, they bring life to your music, filling each room with vibrant and rich sound. Whether you're indoors or outdoors, this speaker ensures that every corner of your space is covered. So let's check it out. Now, how exactly does Soundcore achieve such loud yet rich audio quality? Well, it all lies in the technologies that are being used inside. The speaker comes with LDAC, AAC, and SBC codecs, which are ready to deliver high-resolution audio, bringing out the intricate details in your favorite tracks and ensuring a satisfactory listening experience. But wait, there's more. Apart from delivering top-notch sound, it also comes with some nifty extra features. For instance, the Smart Tune Adaptive EQ adjusts the sound output, delivering optimal sound no matter how you place it. And what's more necessary for a portable speaker is a stable and reliable connection, for which Soundcore offers the latest Bluetooth technology. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.3, this speaker offers a seamless and stable connection, allowing you to stream your favorite playlist effortlessly without any interruptions. Moreover, the stereo sound of the Soundcore Motion 300 offers an immersive audio experience, adding depth and dimension to your music and taking your listening experience to the next level. With that wireless high-res certification, this thing pumps out some seriously crisp tunes, but when you pair it up with the Soundcore app, it's a whole new experience. In the app, the Motion 300 offers a range of customization options that truly enhance your user experience. The app provides convenient controls for voice prompts, clipboard permissions, and button brightness, allowing you to tailor the speaker to your preference. With features like auto power off settings and battery percentage monitoring, we can manage power consumption. Moreover, the app's intuitive interface facilitates easy access to basic functions such as play and pause control, volume adjustment, and EQ presets. We can tweak the EQ settings to our liking, and trust me, it's a game changer. The adaptive direction feature automatically adjusts the sound profile based on the speaker's orientation, providing an immersive audio experience no matter how we position the device. With the Motion 300 and its seamless integration with the Soundcore app, customizing the sound experience has never been easier. The battery life on this little thing is a whopping 13 hours, and that's pretty impressive. On our end, on a single charge, we were able to use it for 2 to 3 days. The battery life on Motion 300 is good enough, making it a perfect companion for long gatherings, day-long picnics, and road trips. Even during those times when it did run out of battery, with the 10-watt charging capability, this speaker gets charged up quickly, so you spend less time waiting and get back to the groove in no time. So, do we recommend it? Absolutely! Especially if you're a budget-conscious user but want the best quality. The Soundcore Motion 300 stands out among their competitors, and with its adaptable EQ, sturdy build, and powerful output, it's more than a top choice. Compared to the Bose SoundLink Flex, which looks quite similar, the Motion 300 shines with similar sound quality, louder volume, and a more versatile attachment option, all at a lower price. The Motion 300 goes a step further by providing a more flexible attachment loop and automatically adjusting its EQ based on how it's positioned. With all of these extras, the Motion 300 comes in at an affordable $80, making it a great choice for anyone looking for a budget-friendly portable speaker.